welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert a clickable checkbox into your Microsoft Word document. It will look something like this. In order to achieve this, we've got to have the developer tab at the top of our ribbon. For lots of you, this won't be here, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Click onto File, then you're going to go down and click onto Options, and you're going to go to Customise Ribbon. And you're going to scroll down until you get to Developer. For lots of you, it will be unchecked. Just check this once and click OK. And you should notice Developer tab now at the top of your ribbon. Now that you've got your Developer tab, select it once, and you're going to select the checkbox content control. And it should look something like this. By default, when you select your checkbox, it will be a cross, not a tick. So to change this, we need to select the box itself until you see this border. We're going to go to Developer tab and we're going to select Properties. Then we're going to select Bounding Box, click the arrow and click on None. Then we're going to go down where it says Check Symbol. We're going to change and we're going to make sure at the top here it's on Wingdings 2. And then we're going to find the tick checkbox. Select that once, click OK. Then you're just going to select OK. Now, when you select the box, it will be a check mark, not a cross. And that's how you insert a clickable checkbox into your Microsoft document.